Dear learners, welcome to the new session of Java programming. I am Anurag Bhatt, Assistant Director, Computer IT, Uttarakhand Open University, Haldwani. In previous session, we have discussed about usage of packages, types of packages and package hierarchy. We have further implemented the use of packages. In this particular session, we will understand what class paths are and basics about importing packages. Our learning objectives of this session are fundamentals of class path, what is a class path, we will be able to discuss and understand what class path is all about and what is its use. How to set class path? We will discuss how a class path is set in different parameters or different scenarios. Types of class path. How many types of class paths are available? Importing packages. This one is very important. We will import packages and implement its use. Steps and ways to import packages and how the Java compiler finds any file. Introduction. Class path is an environment variable which is used by application class loader to locate and load the .class files. The class path defines the path to find third party and user defined classes that are not extensions or part of Java platform. So this is its basic use. Class files and jar files when setting the class path. We will consider the class files and jar files whenever we want to set the class path. So class path is nothing but an environment variable which is used by application class loader to locate and load the class files. Now the question arises, why do we need class paths? What is its use and benefits? The path is the most important environment variable of the Java environment. It is used to locate the JDK packages that are used to convert the Java source code into the machine readable binary format. So before discussing the class path, we have to understand what a class path is. The path is very important environment variable. So it is used as environment variable for the purpose of Java environment. It is used to locate the JDK packages. So we have some JDK packages and we have to locate them, which further are used to convert our Java source code into the machine readable binary format. So for that particular purpose, we will use this class path. Tools like Javac or Javac, whatever you want to say it, and Java, that can be used by setting the path. We can use whenever we want to use it. So tools like Javac and Java can be used by setting the path. When you save your file in the Java directory, that is where Java is installed, it is not necessary to set a path. It is not necessary or mandatory to set a path, but it has, if we set some path, then it has certain benefits. But if you are saving your file outside the directory, it is fairly necessary to set the path beforehand. So the purpose of that setting of class path arises when we have our file outside the working or current directory. So for this purpose, if we are saving our file outside some directory, it is fairly necessary or mandatory rather to set the path beforehand. It will be having certain benefits and advantages. Now we will discuss how to set class paths. So class paths, there are two ways to set class path in Java. We will one by one discuss what are those methods. So first one is temporary path and second one is permanent path. So now let me quickly tell you what a temporary path means. So temporary class paths in Java, it is very easy to set the temporary path of JDK. JDK stands for Java Development Toolkit. Follow the following steps to set the path. So here are certain steps which we have to keep it in our mind to set the path that is called temporary class path. So step number 1. Step 1 is open the terminal or command prompt. We have to open the command prompt in the first step. Then in the second step, we have to go to the path where the JDK bin directory has been saved. So there is a predefined directory called as JDK bin. In a directory called JDK, there is another directory called bin, where we will save our working projects, working programs, and simple programs which are under considerations. So we have to go to the path where the JDK bin directory has been saved. Now step number 3, copy the path. We have to copy that particular path to reach out that directory. Step number 4, enter the following command in the command prompt. So what is the command? The command is set path. Set path equals to class path. Here class path is the address of that particular directory which we want to access or use. For example, JDK bin. Command terminal screenshot. So this is the command terminal screenshot. We have that C drive, then program files, then we have Java, then JDK 1.8.0 underscore 191. So this is our working directory under the JDK. So the command terminal will give this kind of output. So here this terminal screenshot represents our JDK directory where it is located. Now second one is permanent class paths in Java. So here we have previously discussed about the temporary class paths. Now we are in a condition to discuss the permanent class paths. So let us discuss this. To set the permanent path of the JDK on your system, we have to follow the following steps. Step number 1, open system settings and go to the advanced system settings. So what we have to do? We have to open the system settings and we have to go to the advanced system settings. In step number 2, we have to click on the environment variables present in the tab mentioned over there. Now step number 3 for the permanent class path in Java. Step number 3 is go to user variable after that and click on new. Now we have to click on new to set the new path. So next step is step number 4, add the variable name as path. We have to create a variable and add it with the name of path. Step number 5, copy the path of the JDK bin directory, and then step number 6, click OK. So we will be discussing it through the screenshots or through the practical examples. Java permanent class path will now be added in your system. So after following these particular 6 steps, the Java permanent class path will be added, and here our purpose is getting solved. Now in this screenshot you can clearly see that we press window key and click on the search box, type here to search like we usually do. Second step is search advanced settings in the box which is shown in the screenshot at the left. So you can clearly see that advanced system settings. We have to type here our required statement. Step number 3, on the option which says view advanced system settings, we have to click it. So I suppose that this screenshot will make you clear about these concepts of setting the advanced system settings. This next screenshot is now giving us the idea about environment variables. So I have marked here, click here. So set Java underscore home is environment variable. Once you click on system settings, one box will appear that will head to advanced tab. Click on that environment variables. So in this particular tabs, we have 4 to 5 tabs over here. The third tab is advanced. So we have to click on advanced and then go to the environment variables and then click OK. So now we are now in a condition to define or describe environment variables. This screenshot is clearly defining that when we click the new button under the system variables and enter Java underscore home as variable name and the path to your Java JDK directory under variable value. So we are having variable value and variable name. So here variable name is Java underscore home and this value is the path. So now in system variables, click on the new button and type Java underscore home in the field variable name and type in the path of JDK in variable value. So variable value will be the path and variable name will be Java underscore home. Now we will be having this screenshot after that. Update system path. Now we have to update the path address or the path variable value. In the environment variable window under system variables, click on the path. Now we click over the path, then click edit. Now we are editing the path value. In the edit environment variable windows, click new. Now we have to click on new, then type in the following percent Java underscore home percent bin and then click OK. We will be elaborating it in the next slides. Now system is ready. Now we will be configuring, we will be testing our configuration, what we have done. So I suppose that up to now things are being so clear to you. Run command prompt to test our configuration. Second one is type in the following echo percent Java underscore home percent. Now what this command will do? This will echo the directory path of Java underscore home, or it will echo nothing if variable is not set. So things are now clear that if this variable is not set, it will echo nothing, it will be printing nothing. But if we have provided the path, then the echo command will be giving the directory path of Java underscore home. So what we will be getting in output? Then the C drive, program files directory, then Java JDK 1.8.0 underscore 191. So this will be we will be getting as output. So what it is all about? It is about the directory path of our Java underscore home, where our JDK is located in the directory structure. So I suppose that we have just conducted the testing of our configuration, which we have just achieved. Now test our configurations, second part. To check version, type Java space hyphen version command. So what this command will do, we will just have a look. Run command prompt like we usually do, type following in command line tool Java space hyphen version. So this will print out the version of Java, as in our case we have provided that Java version 1.8.0 underscore 191. So this will be the version, and these are the other outputs we will be having in the screen. Java TM SE runtime environment built 1.8.0 underscore 191 hyphen B12. Then Java hotspot TM 64-bit server VM virtual machine that built 25.191 comma mix mode. So all these outputs which we will be having after conducting the running the Java hyphen version command. So now we have just tested our configuration. The most interesting things is to use or import packages in Java. So we will now discuss importing packages in Java. Using a class from other packages to use a public package member, classes and interfaces can be there from outside its package. You must do one of the following. So what is that? Import the package member using import statement. We have to use import statement. Then import the member's entire package using import statement. We can use or import the member's entire package. We can access, we can import the entire package using import statement. So this is also the facility. Third one is refer to the member by its fully qualified name without using import statement. So it is not mandatory to use import statement every time. There is a facility called fully qualified name by which we can refer to the member without using any import statement, just by using the fully qualified name of that particular member. That member can be a method, can be a class, or can be a sub package. Importing packages. To be able to use classes outside of the package we are currently working in, we need to import the package of those classes. By default, all our Java programs import the java.lang.star package. That is why we can use classes like string and integers inside the program even though we have not imported any packages. So it is just similar to learners, just as in C programming we have used hash include stdio.h and conio.h. Two header files we generally include. So stdio.h is having printf, scanf commands. So in case we don't have to, we directly can use the printf and scanf command even if it is in the same directory and we are not including those header files. So like in Java, in the case of Java, java.lang.star, that package is having classes like strings and integers. So even though we have not imported any packages, we can use these classes. The syntax for importing the packages is as follows. Import, we have to put the keyword import and then followed by the name of our package. Just this name of package is user defined and can be anything, whatever you want to choose. Ways to import class or package. Now, importing a class. We are just importing a class, that is import java.util.date. Here, one thing is to keep it in our mind that Java is the package, util is the sub package under Java package, and then util is containing date class. So packages are generally written in lowercase letters, that likewise in Java and util, J is small, U is small, and then date is the name of the class present under util package. So date is because being a class, date is in uppercase letter, so D is capital. Importing all classes in the java.util package. So this is the case when we want to use the java.util package entire classes, importing all classes present under util. So what we have to write? We will write import java.util.star. So this particular command or statement will make us will enable us importing all the classes in the java.util package. Now, using classes of other packages via fully qualified name or path. Public static void main string args like we usually do. So java.util.datex equals to new java.util.date. Here a package date has been assigned to date x variable. So what is x? X is a date type of variable. Okay. Now java.util.datex, we have provided fully qualified name or path for that particular class. So x is nothing but a variable of date class which is inside util, and util in turn is inside Java. Java and util are the packages and date is inside that util package. Accessing a package from another package. So here is the case when we have to access one package from another package. There are certain ways. We will discuss three ways to access the package from outside the package. First one is import package dot star. This is one method. Another method is import package dot class name. We will provide the package followed by the class name and separated by dot operator. So package dot class name, just as we have discussed util dot date. Util was package and date was the class under it. Third method is fully qualified name. We will discuss all these three methods one by one now. First method is using package name dot star. By using package dot star, we can access all the classes and interfaces of this package, but not sub package. So here the thing which we have to keep it in our mind, that by accessing all the classes and interface of the package using package dot star, but not sub packages are included under this command. So for sub packages we have to provide the fully qualified name. That is the requirement of fully qualified name, which will be giving the facilities. The import keyword is used to make the classes and interface of another package accessible to the current page. So this import keyword is used to make our classes and interface of one package accessible to the another package. So current package can use another package's members by using import keyword. Example of package using package name dot star. So we have two classes called X and Y. So X class, we save it by x.java, then package pack1. So pack1 is we are defining package 1. Public class X, then public void message. Message here is a method under class X and class X is under the package pack1. System.out.println hello dear learners. So this hello dear learners will be printed by the message method under class X. Now scenario is that we have another class Y. So under the package pack2. So package pack2 means package 2. Import pack1 dot star. So we are importing package 1 dot star in the another package called package 2. The package 2 contains the class Y, which is having public static void main function is there, string args like we usually do, x obj equals to new x. So obj is the object of the X class. This facility is being provided by the import pack1 dot star, because import pack1 dot star enables us to use the member classes of package 1, that is X. Now obj, because it is object of X class, we are calling the message method of the X class, just like in this example. So obj.message will be printing hello dear learners at the output. So output will be having hello dear learners, which is enabled from the X class, called in the Y class of package 2. The beauty of this import pack1 dot star made this possible. Second one is using package name dot class name. So by using package dot class name, we can access only declared class of this package. Example of package using package name dot class. Now in this second method, we will be using package name dot class name. So again the same scenario is there, save by x.java. We are having X class, we save this file as x.java. Case is same, package pack1, public class X, public void message. Then it will be printing system.out.println hello everyone. Second class is Y, we save it by y.java. It will be under package pack2. Import pack1.x, we are importing the pack1 package1.x, but directly importing the pack1 dot class name, and class is X. Now the pack2 is having class Y, then public static void main string args x obj equals to new x obj dot message. Then the output of that particular program is hello everyone, which will be provided by the message method of class X. So what is second method is different from? It is different that we are importing not pack1 dot star. We are here importing that particular class whose method we want to access. For example, in pack1 we are having class X, and class X is having this message method, and we want to make use of this message, and we want to print hello everyone. So then we will be having pack1 dot x, not in place of pack1 dot star we have used pack1 dot class name. So output we are having hello everyone. Now using fully qualified name. By using fully qualified name, that we can access only declared classes of that package. Now there is no need to import. Like we have previously also discussed that there is no need to use import statement or import keyword if we are providing fully qualified name. But when we must use fully qualified name every time to access the class or the interface. It is generally used when two packages have same class name. Example, java.util and java.sql packages contain date class. The interesting fact is that date class is present in both the packages java.util as well as java.sql. Example of package using fully qualified name. Scenario is similar as in previous examples. Package pack1, public class X, then public void message, system.out.println hello world. So the message method in the class X is giving print as output as hello world. Second class is Y, which is under package 2, and we did not use any import pack1 statement here, but we are providing the fully qualified name. So public static void main string args pack1 dot x obj. So here we have provided fully qualified name, that pack1 dot x class under pack1 package. So pack1 dot x obj equals to new pack1 dot x. Using a fully qualified name, we have created object of the pack1 dot x class under the pack1 package. Now we have called message method obj dot message. What we are having the output hello world. I suppose that this example will be clear to you all. Now package and directory structure. Packages can also be nested. In this case, the Java interpreter expects the directory structure containing the executable classes to match the package hierarchy. There should have some directory structure. For example, under directory my own directory, my own subdirectory, then my own package. So this is the structure which we have discussed in previous session also, the directory structure of packages. Package, now defining it, package my own directory dot my own subdir dot my own package. So this is the statement which we will use. How the Java compiler finds file. When we compile a file that uses a class or interface that is not defined in the same file, the Java compiler uses what it uses? It uses the following things: the name of the class, the names of the imported packages, if any if there will be any, the name of the current package, try to locate the class definition. So these things which the Java compiler uses. For example, we assume that we are working in directory java directory, which contains one file called cars.java. So import audi.star, public class test, then audi, the definitions of audi AU means the definition part, the body of the class test. Since audi is not defined in cars.java, the scenario is that audi is not defined in cars.java, and since there is no file audi.java in the current directory, the compiler will look for audi.java in the audi package subdirectory. It will be looking further in the audi package subdirectory, since cars.java imports the audi package. Now suppose that the audi package subdirectory contains two files, cars.java and audi node.java, both part of the audi package. Both are the part of audi package. Also assume that cars.java uses the Audinode class defined in the Audinode.java. So Audinode class is defined under Audinode.java. If you try to compile just cars.java in the Audi package subdirectory, you will be getting an error because the compiler will try to find out the file audinode.java in a Audi package subdirectory of the current directory rather than looking in the current directory itself. Now, how to solve this problem? There are at least 3 ways to solve this problem. First one is always compile a package from the parent directory. For example, compile list.java from java.dir rather than from java directory oblique Audi package. So we have to compile a package, always compile a package from the parent directory. So we have to keep it in our mind that we always have to compile from the parent directory, from java.dir rather than java.dir Audi package in the java.dir directory type. So now javac Audi package list.java. So we have to use the parent directory first, followed by the name of the class. Second is always compile all files in package at the same time. For example, in the directory java.dir under it Audi package type. What we have to type? We have to write the command as javac star.java. So another method is writing the command javac star.java. It will be covering everything. Make a circular link from the package subdirectory to itself. So the last but not the least is the method where we have to make a circular link from the package subdirectory to itself. For example, in the directory java.dir Audi package, we have to write ln -s. So we have to provide the link dot Audi package. So this command will make a circular link from a package subdirectory to itself. This is the last method for the resolving this problem. Now, learning outcomes. By this session, learners will have basic understanding about class paths and its types. They will grasp knowledge about how to set temporary and permanent class paths. Learner will surely acquire knowledge about environment variables, and it will be facilitating them from use of fully qualified names of classes and packages. It will definitely enhance knowledge and steps, ways to import packages in Java and ways to access one package from another package. I hope this session will be beneficial to you all. Thank you so much, dear learners.